Everything just changed. The FXX 6th generation is real and it is unstoppable. You are watching SkyWatch Global and we will continue to bring you the latest developments.
Hey, stop everything. The most dangerous aircraft ever built just changed the rules of war forever. This is the FAXX 6th generation, and nothing will ever be the same again. The FAXX. Say that name out loud. FAXX. This is America's answer to every threat in the sky. Every rival, every enemy, every challenge the modern battlefield has thrown at the United States. This single aircraft is the response. And it is absolutely devastating. Let me put this in perspective for you. The United States has been building legendary fighter jets for decades. The F-15 ruled the skies for generations. The F-22 brought stealth and supercruise to a level nobody had seen before. The F-35 became the backbone of Allied air forces around the entire world. Each one of those jets was a revolution. Each one changed everything. But the FAXX makes all of them look like a warm-up act. This is 6th generation technology. And most people do not truly understand what that means. So let me break it down for you right now. 5th generation was about stealth. About low observable design. About radar-absorbent materials and careful shaping to reduce a jet's signature on enemy screens. The F-22 and the F-35 mastered that. They became nearly invisible. And for years that was enough. But the world kept moving. Adversaries kept developing. China pushed forward. Russia pushed forward. New radar technologies emerged. New detection systems. New threats that 5th generation was never designed to face. And so America went back to the drawing board. And what came out of that process was the FAXX. 6th generation does not just improve on stealth. It reimagines the entire concept of air combat from the ground up. The FAXX is not just a jet. It is a flying command center. An airborne weapons platform. An artificial intelligence-powered combat system that thinks and reacts and adapts in real time to whatever the battlefield throws at it. No other aircraft in history has ever been built this way. Not even close. The artificial intelligence inside the FAXX is something extraordinary. It is not there to replace the pilot. It is there to make the pilot superhuman. While a human brain processes information at a certain speed, the AI systems on board the FAXX are processing thousands of data points every single second. Threat assessments, countermeasures, targeting solutions, flight path optimization, all of it happening simultaneously. All of it feeding directly to the pilot so they can make perfect decisions at the speed of combat. This aircraft does not give enemies time to react. By the time they realize the FAXX is there, it is already too late. And the stealth on this machine is on a completely different level from anything that came before it. We are not just talking about reduced radar cross-section. The FAXX incorporates advanced materials and design features that make it nearly undetectable across multiple spectrums. Radar, infrared, acoustic, visual, the systems that could track the F-22 struggle with the FAXX. The systems that could detect the F-35 go completely silent. This jet enters a combat zone and it simply vanishes. Ghost, shadow, nothing. And while it is invisible to everything watching, it is already doing its job. Now let us talk about weapons. Because this is where the FAXX becomes truly terrifying. Traditional fighter jets carry missiles, cannons, bombs. The FAXX carries all of that and so much more. Directed energy weapons, actual laser systems capable of destroying targets at the speed of light. High-powered microwave emitters that can fry enemy electronics from miles away. And hypersonic missiles, weapons that travel at 5, 6, 7 times the speed of sound. Weapons so fast that by the time any defense system detects the launch, the impact has already occurred. There is no intercept. There is no escape. The FAXX fires and it is already over. But here is the capability that truly sets the FAXX apart from every other aircraft ever built. Loyal Wingman technology. One pilot in that cockpit can command an entire squadron of unmanned combat drones simultaneously. These are not remote-controlled toys. These are highly capable autonomous aircraft that fly in formation with the FAXX, respond to commands in real time, extend the sensor reach of the mission, multiply the firepower available, and absorb enemy fire to protect the manned aircraft. One pilot, one jet, an entire air force operating as a single coordinated unit. The tactical implications of that are almost impossible to overstate. The range of the F/A-XX allows it to project American power across vast distances without refueling. The endurance keeps it on station longer than any rival aircraft. The payload capacity means it arrives with everything it needs to dominate whatever situation it encounters. And the survivability systems built into this aircraft ensure that it comes home when the mission is done. China knows this jet is coming. They are accelerating their own 6th-generation programs because of it. Russia is watching every development with deep concern. American allies across Europe and the Pacific are paying close attention because the F/A-XX will reshape what collective defense actually means. When this aircraft enters operational service with the United States Navy and the United States Air Force, the entire global balance of air power shifts. Permanently, decisively, in America's favor. Throughout aviation history there have been aircraft that defined their era. The Spitfire, the P-51 Mustang, the F-86 Sabre, the F-4 Phantom, the F-15 Eagle, the F-22 Raptor. Every single one of those jets was the best of its generation. Every single one left a mark on history that will never be forgotten. But the F/A-XX is not just the best of its generation. It is the best that has ever existed. Full stop. No debate. No competition. Decades of American aerospace engineering. Billions of dollars of investment. The most talented designers and scientists and test pilots on the planet. All of it, every bit of it, led to this moment, led to this aircraft. The F/A-XX is not the future of air combat. It is the present. It is happening right now. And the world will never look at the sky the same way again. You watched this entire video because you know quality when you see it. So right now do one thing. Subscribe to SkyWatch Global. Hit that like button hard. And drop a comment below. Tell me what you think about the F/A-XX. Tell me if this jet scares you. Tell me if it amazes you. Because I want to know. This is SkyWatch Global, and we will see you in the next one.